Hi, I'm Teresa the Traveler, and I would like to tell you about a new book that I recently finished called Waterfalling in Love with Alberta. A little history about what had me write the book. I started it in March of 2020. I had just got back from a job in the oil fields working as an electrician, and I'd put on 20 pounds of camp food weight. Anyway, I come home. I'm excited to go traveling. My friend and I had booked this incredible adventure to Thailand, and then COVID hits. So now I'm at home, and then all of a sudden the quarantine happens. So now I'm at home on quarantine. I have 20 extra pounds. My plans are canceled. I am new to Calgary because I'd recently moved there, and I have not really any friends in town yet, a couple, but no one that I really go out and hang out with. And I start to get depressed. So I go to the doctor and I start antidepressants. Well, then I wasn't depressed, but I wasn't really alive either. So it occurred to me, what would make me happy is finding waterfalls. I love waterfalls. There's just something about the negative ions that are released when the water drops that just fills my soul and helps me with my depression. Anyway, I decided I needed to find some waterfalls. I knew of two. Elbow Falls and O'Shaughnessy Falls. And I'm like, there's got to be more waterfalls in the area than that. So I set on a quest to find 50 waterfalls within a day trip of Calgary. And during that exploration of waterfalls, I met new friends. I ended up with a new hiking posse. I lost the 20 pounds and I'm off antidepressants. So anyway, if you are interested in a copy of the book, I will drop a link to the ordering in the bottom, look below in the comment section. So what I've done is put together this fabulous footage of all these waterfalls I visited in Alberta in the last couple months. And I'm hoping by the end of it, you too will waterfall in love with Alberta. Hi, I'm Teresa the Traveler. Today I am in one of the coolest spots on the planet. Look at this. Back there we were watching avalanches. There's a little avalanche up there.